How to block email by size using the spam filter in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click Spam Filters icon. From this Email Filters interface, you can create a filter for large size incoming email. Click to open the drop-down list of Block By and select the Size option. Enter the maximum size of the email you wish to allow. Any incoming email over 5 megabytes in size will be blocked. Now click Block button. That's it. You now know how to block all email larger than a fixed size. Thank you for watching.